Why aren't more finance execs debating their BI tools on LinkedIn? This is about more than dashboards. It's about making decisions faster. Let's compare the top contenders. Alright, let's settle the score. Power BI, Tableau, or Qlik. Power BI crushes it on integration with Microsoft 365 and cost efficiency. Tableau brings killer visualizations and flexibility, perfect for deep dives. Qlik, known for robust data modeling and real-time analysis. But which wins for finance? If your team lives in Excel, Power BI's seamless workflow is hard to beat. Need advanced visuals for big presentations? Tableau's your friend. Handling massive, complex data? Qlik's in-memory engine gives you serious speed. Bottom line, the best BI tool is the one your team will actually use, consistently. Start with your needs, your data, and your workflow. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but now you know how to choose.